we need to find A transpose into A. Okay, A transpose into A. Okay, 2, 3, 2, 2, 0, 3, 2, and 2, 3, 2, 3, 0, 2. We are getting 4, 6, 6, 13. Previous class we already solved. In step 2, what we need to find means we need to find the eigen values. Okay, eigen values. Already we found how to find A into A transpose minus lambda I is equal to 0. Means 4 minus lambda 6, 6, 13 minus lambda is equal to 0. Then simplify. What we are getting here, this 4 minus lambda into 13 minus lambda minus 36. Simplify. You will get it lambda is equal to 16 and 1. Lambda is equal to 16 and 1. You get it. This is eigen values. Lambda is nothing but eigen values. And also eigen value must and should. Okay, eigen values must and should you have to write in descending order only. Okay, observe here lambda 1 is equal to 16 and lambda 2 is equal to 1. Okay, lambda 2 is equal to 1. Eigen values in descending order. Okay, don't forget it. Okay, you have to write it in descending order only. Descending order. Okay. Then next step 3. Step 3 is what here? Find the singular values. Find the singular values. Okay, means sigma 1 is equal to square root of lambda 1. This is nothing but root of 16. This is nothing but 4. Then sigma 2 is equal to square root of lambda 2. Means square root of 1. Nothing but 1. Okay. Then sigma 1 is equal to 4. Sigma 2 is equal to 1. These are the single values. The next step 4, right? This is eigen values. We need to find the eigen vector. Okay, using the eigen values, we need to find eigen vector. Okay. Write down here A into A transpose A minus lambda I into X is equal to 0. Means 4 A into A is what? 4, 6, 6, 13 minus lambda in 0, 0, 1 into X is we are writing X1, X2 and 0 is 0, 0, 0. Okay. Then simplify here. 4 minus lambda, 6 minus 6 and 13 minus lambda. 13 minus lambda into x1, x2 is equal to 0, 0. Okay. Then substitute the eigenvector. We need to find the eigenvector, no? Eigenvector for lambda 1 is equal to 16. In place of lambda, substitute here 16. 4 minus 16, 6, 6, 13 minus 16 into x1 and x2 and 0, 0. Okay, up to then I'm audible now?
Audible.
Chandan? Okay. Then here in
Audible,
place
ma'am.
of lambda, simplify what we're getting here. Minus 12. Okay, thanks, Appa. 16 minus 16 plus 4 is minus 6. 13 minus 16 is minus 3. Then x1 and x2 is equal to 0, 0 is equal to 0, 0. Okay. Then next, observe here, using the first row, okay, using the A11, using the A21 is 0. Okay, do the operation here. R2 is equal to R1 by 2. R1 by 2. What will happen here? R2 is R2 is 6 plus R1 is minus 12 and divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are okay. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Here minus 12 0. Similarly minus 3 plus 6 by 2. Okay, minus 3 plus 3 means here 0. Okay, into x1 and x2 is equal to 0 means 12x1 plus 6x2 is equal to 0. Next is 0x1 0, 0x2 is 0. Okay. Then next 6x2 is equal to minus 12x1. This implies x2 is equal to minus 12 by 6 into x1. 2 means here x2 is equal to minus 2x1. x2 is equal to minus 2x1. Okay. Then here take down x1 is equal to 1. x2 will becoming a minus 2. Okay. Up to this much we completed on the previous class. 10 marks question. Okay. Eigenvector for lambda is equal to 16 is x1 is equal to x1 x2 and 1 here minus 12 no, this is minus 12. Minus 12x1, it will become plus, means here plus 2x1. Here x2 is equal to 2 plus 2. Then next to then next take down second eigenvalues. Second eigen vector for lambda is equal to 1. For lambda is equal to 1. Okay. Then take down here. Equation 1 again take down. Equation 1 is what here? 4 minus lambda 6 4 minus lambda 6 13 minus lambda, okay, into x1 x2 is equal to 0 by 0. Okay, here 4 minus 1 6 13 minus 1, then x1 x2 is equal to 0. What we are getting here? 3 6 6 13 minus 1 is 12. Okay, x1 x2 is equal to 0 comma 0. Okay, using this element 3, using the A11, we have to do A21 is 0. Okay, do the operation here. R2 is equal to R2 plus 2 R1 minus 2 R1. Okay, minus 2 R1. Then First row write down as is 3, 6, 6, 12, 3, 6. Do it and tell me the answer here. Really 0, here also 0, okay? Means observe here R2, 6, 2 minus 2 into R1 is 3. Write down there 3, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, then R2 is 6 minus 2. We are 12 no? Means 12 minus 2 into 6 is equal to 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, then x1, x2 means 0, 0. Means 0, 0. Then next here 3x1 plus x1 is equal to minus 2x2. Minus 2x2, okay? Then take down if x1, if x2 is equal to 1, okay, what will happen? X1 is equal to minus 2 into 1 means x1 is equal to here minus 2. X1 is equal to here minus 2. Then eigenvector for lambda is equal to 1 is capital X2 is equal to x1, x2 is nothing but 1 minus x1 is minus 2 and x2 is 1. Okay, x1 is minus 2 and plus 1. Okay, then next to after what we find summation u and v. Okay, this is a step 4. Step 4, calculate u, v and summation of matrices. Okay, we need to find u, v and summation of matrices. First we are going to find the v. Okay, first we are going to find the matrix v. Okay, v is equal to v1 comma v2. Okay, v comma v2. Then here first find out v1. v1 is equal to x1 by normal form of x1. Okay, normal form of x1. x1 is what? Just now we found no, x1 is nothing but 1, 2. Okay, here x1 is nothing but 2 and normal form of normal length of vector x1 is normal length of vector x1 is square root of observe here 1 square plus 2 square means what will get here square root of 1 plus 5 we are getting square 1 plus 4 we are getting square root of 5. Then similarly find out v2. Okay, v2 is equal to x2 by normal length of x2, normal length of vector x2. Okay, x2 just now we found x2 is minus 2 plus 1. Substitute here minus 2 plus 1 and normal length of vector x2 is square root of minus 2 whole square plus 1 whole square is nothing but 4 plus 1 is nothing but 5 square root of 5 by normal length of vector x1 is square root of I, and x1 matrix is here 1, 2. And similarly, the next take down 1 by square root of I inside the matrix, 1 by square root of I and 2 by square root of 5. Okay. Then V2 is equal x2 by V2 is equal to normal length of vector x2 is equal to vector x2 is equal to 1 over by square root of 5 into x2 is minus 2 and 1, means minus 2 by square root of 5, then 1 by square root of 5. Okay, we got it. Then next we need to find, okay, next we need to find the V transpose. Okay, here write down matrix capital V is equal to V1 and V2. Okay, write down what is the V1. Just now we found V1 is 1 over V2 and V2 is minus 2 by root 5 and 1 by root 5. 1 by root 5. Okay, do the transpose here. Transpose. Transpose means column we can be written as row wise. 1 over by root 5. Okay, 2 by root 5. Column we are writing in row. Okay, minus 2 by root 5. Then 1 by root 5. Okay, this is V transpose. This is V transpose. Okay. Now, next we need to find the, write down this much. Completed, Chandan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next we need to find the matrix U. Okay. Second one, matrix U, then U is equal to U1, U2, U1, U2. Then here U is equal to U1 is 1 over by sigma 1 AB1. U2 is 1 by sigma 2 AB2. Okay, we already found sigma 1 is 4 and sigma 2 is equal to 1. Okay, just now we found V1 and V2 also. Then write down here U1, 1 over by sigma 1, AB1. Okay, sigma 1 is 1 by 4. A is, what is the A here? Here A is, A is 2302. 2302. Okay, into V1 is here V1 is 1 by root 5, 1, 2. Okay, 1 by root 5, 1, 2. Then next 1 by 4, 5, 1 by 4 root 5, multiply here 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. Okay, 0 into 1 plus 2 into 2. Okay, then 1 by 4 root 5 is equal to 2 plus 5 is what? 3 2s are 6, so 6 plus 2, 8. Here 8, 0 into 1 is 0, 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, 8, 4. Okay, then next to take down 1 by 4 inside the matrix, 1 by root 5 or write down in outside the matrix, 8 by 4, 4 by 4. Okay, 1 by root 5 means 4 ones are 4 twos are 4 ones are means 2, 2 by 1. Okay, here u1 is equal to 2 by root 5 and 1 by root 5. You okay, understood how to find the u1? u1 is nothing but 1 by sigma 1 av1 is equal to 1 by sigma 1 value is 4 and a matrix write down 2 3 0 8 and v1 is 1 by square root of 5 1 2. Then 1 by 4 root 5 multiply here 2 into 1 plus first row, first column 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2, then 0 into 1 plus 2 into 2. Okay, then multiply, then you will get it. u1 is 2 by 55 and 1 by 5. Okay, got it. The next find out u2. u2 also same only. u2 is equal to sigma 2 av2. Okay, 1 by sigma 2 is 1 here and a matrix is 2302 and v2 is here. Just previous we found no v2 is here minus 2 and 1. Then do the multiplication. Okay, correct? Whatever I'm doing, this is, I think this is minus root 2 by root 5 and 1 by root 5. Correct? Then then 2, 2, 3, 0, 2, 1 by root 5 take down common, minus 2 and 1, minus 2 and 1. Okay, here 1 by root 5, 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 1 plus 0 into minus 2 plus 2 into 1. Okay, 1 by root 5. What will get here? Minus 4 plus 3, then 2 means 1 by root 5 minus 1, 2 means answer is here. u2 is minus 1 by root 5 and 2 by root 5 minus 1 by root 5 and 2 by root 5. Okay, u is equal to u1, u 2 by root 5 minus 1 by root 5, 1 by root 5 and 2 by root 5. u1 2 by root 5, okay, and 1 by root 5. u1 matrix is substitute here. Understood how to find the u1 and u2? Ashita, Akshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Chandan? 2 by, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, u1 is this one 2 by root 5 and 1 by root 5. Okay. Then u2 is here minus 1 by root 5 and 2 by root 5. 2 by root 5. Okay. Then next to what we have to find, write down. Next to matrix, diagonal matrix. So summation. Okay, completed. Then next to matrix summation diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. How to find the summation? Observe here sigma 1 0, 0 sigma 2. Summation is nothing but diagonal matrix. Okay, sigma 1 0, 0 sigma 2 means sigma 1 is 4, 0 sigma 2 is 1. Okay. Then step 6. Step 6. A is equal to U summation of Vt. Okay, substitute all the values here. U is 2 by root 15 minus 1 by root 5, 1 by root 5, then 2 by root 5. Okay, then summation is here 4001, and next is B transpose. B transpose is 1 by root 5 and 2 by root 5 minus 2 by root 5 and 1 by root 5. Got it? And simplify and tell me the answer. Completed? You multiply and write the answer, last answer, okay? Then take down next problem. Compute. Chandan, answer banta. I want to do this problem. Take down 1 by root 5, no? One by root 5. Okay, here 2 minus 1, 1, 2. Then 4, 0, 0, 1. Here also take down 1 by root 5 outside. Then 1, 2, 2 minus 2 and 1. Then 1 by root 5 into 1 by root 5 is 5. Then 2 into 4 minus 1 into 0. 1 into 4 plus 2 into 1. Okay, into 1, 2 minus 2, 1. Then 1 by 5. 2 4s are 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then 1, 2 minus 2, 1. Then simplify 1 by 5. Okay. 8. What we are getting the answer? Okay, we are multiplication is okay, here observe here. Multiply here 1 by root 5 into 1 by root 5 is 5. Then 2 into 4 minus 1 into 0. Then 2 into 0 plus, what is the answer? Minus 1 into 1. Okay, 1 into 4 plus 2 into 0. Then 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1. Okay, here 1, 2, minus 2 and 1. Then what we are getting here 1 by 5. 2 4s are 8. Okay, here minus 1. So 4 means here 2. Then next is 1, 2, minus 2 and 1. Okay, then multiply 1 by 5. 2 into 8 into 1. Then minus 1 into minus 2. Okay, next is minus 1 into plus 4 into 2, 8 into 2, okay. 8 into 2 minus 1 into 1, okay. The next is second row, first column. Next 4 to 2 and plus 2 into 1. Okay, here 8 into 2 minus 1 into 1. But 1 by 5, here 8 plus 2 is 4 into 1, this is 0. 4 2s are 8 plus 10. But here we are not getting here 0. Once again check it here, whatever I am doing correct or not. Two into 4 and minus 1 into 0, then 2 into 0 minus 1 into 1. Okay, 1 into 4 plus 2 into plus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 0, 0 okay. Then 2 into 1. Okay, next is 1, 2 minus 2, 1. Then 8 into 1 minus 1 into minus 2. Next is 8 into 2. Then next minus 1 into minus 1 into 1. Okay, here we want diagonal matrix. Minus 9. I think correct. Okay, correct. Oh, what?